Starburst, a journey from candy lab to rainbow in your mouth. Hey candy enthusiasts and sugar fiends! Welcome back to From Raw to Ready, where we delve into the delightful world of all things sweet. Today we're setting our sights on a childhood classic, the vibrant and chewy Starburst. These bite-sized bursts of flavor have been captivating taste buds for generations. But have you ever wondered how these little squares of joy transform from a simple recipe into the rainbow explosion we all know and love? So buckle up, grab your favorite Starburst flavor, mine's gotta be strawberry, and get ready to embark on a sugary adventure, the journey of a Starburst. From concept to creation, the birth of a Starburst flavor. Every great candy starts with a spark of creativity. For Starburst, this spark comes from the minds of flavor scientists and designers. They work together to brainstorm new taste combinations, experiment with different colors, and ultimately decide which flavor profiles will tantalize our taste buds. The science of sweetness, perfecting the flavor formula. Once the initial flavor ideas are chosen, it's time for the science to kick in. Food scientists meticulously develop the perfect recipe to achieve the desired taste profile for each Starburst. This involves carefully balancing various ingredients like sugars. A combination of sugar and corn syrup forms the base of the Starburst's sweetness. Scientists carefully measure these ingredients to ensure the candy isn't overly sweet, but still delivers that satisfying sugary punch. Instead of relying solely on refined sugar, some Starburst varieties may also incorporate natural sources of sweetness, like fruit juice concentrates, adding a subtle depth of flavor alongside the traditional sweetness. Flavors, natural and artificial flavors, are used to create the distinct taste profiles for each Starburst variety. Whether it's the tangy zing of orange or the juicy burst of cherry, these flavorings are what truly define a Starburst experience. Natural flavors are derived from fruits, spices, or other plant or animal sources, offering a more nuanced taste profile. Artificial flavors, on the other hand, are created in a lab to mimic natural flavors or even create entirely new taste sensations. Acids. A touch of citric acid adds a subtle tartness that balances the sweetness and enhances the overall flavor profile. This tanginess can also help to elevate the perception of the fruity flavors. Gelatin. This ingredient plays a crucial role in creating the chewy texture that Starburst is known for. Gelatin is a protein derived from animal collagen and helps the candy hold its shape while still offering that satisfying chewiness. The amount of gelatin used can be adjusted to achieve the desired level of chew, from a softer, more yielding texture to a firmer, chewier bite. A symphony of colors bringing the rainbow to life. What's a Starburst without its signature rainbow of colors? Food coloring specialists are responsible for creating the vibrant hues that make these candies so visually appealing. They ensure each color is consistent and matches the intended flavor profile. There are strict regulations governing the use of food coloring in candy production. These specialists carefully select colors that are FDA approved for consumption and ensure the perfect dosage is used to achieve the desired shade without compromising the flavor or safety of the candy. Manufacturing magic, the Starburst production line. With the recipe perfected and colors ready, it's time to unleash the magic of manufacturing. Here's where the Starburst journey takes a fascinating turn. The big mix. All the ingredients, meticulously weighed and measured, are combined in large mixing vats. Imagine a giant candy cauldron bubbling with sugary goodness. These mixing vats are equipped with powerful agitators to ensure all the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Cooking up flavor. The mixture is then cooked to a specific temperature to ensure the perfect consistency for chewy goodness. This cooking process plays a crucial role in developing the final texture of the Starburst. The exact temperature and cooking time will depend on the desired level of chewiness and the specific ingredients used in the recipe. Shaping up. The hot candy mixture is then poured into molds that will shape it into the iconic Starburst squares. This process involves high-pressure pumps and intricate machinery. The molds are designed to create the signature Starburst shape with precise dimensions. Cooling down. Once shaped, the Starburst squares travel along a conveyor belt and are rapidly cooled. This rapid cooling process is crucial for setting the candy and ensuring it maintains its shape. Special cooling tunnels with controlled airflow are used to achieve the desired temperature quickly and evenly. Unveiling the rainbow. Now comes the fun part, the application of color. Each Starburst variety takes a different path through the coloring process. Here are two possibilities. Single color coating. For solid colored Starbursts, a thin layer of colored sugar is applied to the surface of the candies. This coating adds a vibrant pop of color and a slightly different textural element compared to the chewy candy center. Multicolored magic. For the classic rainbow Starburst, the process is a bit more intricate. The hot candy mixture itself might be pre-colored in different batches, or a special coloring technique might be used after the candy has been shaped. One method involves a series of high-pressure nozzles precisely spraying different colored sugar mixtures onto the moving Starburst squares. This creates the beautiful striped pattern we all know and love. Quality control. No Starburst goes out the door without passing a rigorous quality check. Trained inspectors ensure each candy meets strict standards for size, shape, color, and texture. Any Starburst that doesn't meet these criteria is removed from the production line. Packaging perfection. Once deemed worthy, the Starbursts are carefully counted and packaged into the familiar brightly colored boxes or wrappers we see on store shelves. This automated process ensures consistent portion sizes and keeps the candies fresh and protected until they reach your eager hands. The final frontier, distribution and enjoyment. Now fully formed and bursting with flavor, the Starbursts embark on their final journey to candy stores and supermarkets near you. From there, it's up to you, the candy connoisseur, to decide which flavor to dive into first. Will it be the tangy sweetness of orange, the juicy burst of cherry, or maybe a delightful mix of all the rainbow flavors? The sweet legacy of Starburst. Starburst is more than just a candy. It's a taste of nostalgia, a burst of happiness, and a reminder of the simple joy that candy can bring. The next time you pop a Starburst in your mouth, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken to get there. From the scientists crafting the perfect flavor recipe to the factory workers ensuring its quality and consistency. So, the next time you reach for a Starburst, remember the science, the creativity, and the dedication that goes into creating this iconic candy. Now go forth and savor the rainbow. Bonus content. Feeling curious about other candy-making processes? Let us know in the comments below which candy you'd like us to explore next. We might just feature it in a future episode. Did you know? The original name for Starburst was Opal Fruits when it was first launched in the UK in 1960. The Starburst factory in Chicago, Illinois, can produce up to 600 million Starburst candies in a single day. There have been over 150 different Starburst flavor combinations introduced throughout the candy's history, with some being limited editions. We've explored the amazing journey of a Starburst from recipe to production line, but there's still more to discover. Let's delve deeper into the science behind that signature Starburst chewiness. The key to that satisfying Starburst chew lies in a fascinating molecule called gelatin. Gelatin is a protein derived from animal collagen, and it plays a crucial role in creating the candy's texture. When the Starburst mixture cools, the gelatin strands begin to interact with the water in the candy. Think of it like a microscopic web forming. These gelatin strands trap water molecules, creating a network that gives the Starburst its structure and that delightful chewiness. The amount of gelatin used can be adjusted to achieve the desired level of chew. More gelatin for a firmer bite and less for a softer, more yielding texture. The cooking process also plays a critical role. By carefully controlling the temperature and cooking time, we can manipulate the sugar crystallization within the candy. Larger sugar crystals can create a slightly firmer texture, while smaller crystals contribute to a softer chew. It's a delicate balance between the properties of gelatin, the sugar crystallization, and the overall candy composition. By fine-tuning these elements, we achieve that signature Starburst chew that everyone loves. Now let's not forget another crucial element of the Starburst experience, the wrapper. These colorful wrappers not only protect the candy but also play a significant role in branding and visual appeal. The Starburst wrapper has undergone some interesting transformations over the years. Starting with a more simplistic design in the 1960s, it has evolved to incorporate brighter colors, more playful fonts, and even interactive elements like jokes or trivia printed on the inside. These wrappers are a fun way for the brand to connect with consumers and add a touch of whimsy to the Starburst experience. So there you have it. We've taken a journey from the brainstorming sessions of flavor scientists to the bustling factory floor, and finally, to the colorful wrapper that entices us at the store. The next time you unwrap a Starburst, remember the incredible process it has undergone to become that delicious, bite-sized burst of flavor. Beyond the rainbow, exploring new Starburst frontiers. Starburst isn't afraid to innovate. Over the years, the brand has introduced a wide variety of new flavors, textures, and even shapes to keep things exciting. From sour Starburst for a tangy twist to chewy Starburst bites for a quick snack, there's a Starburst variety to satisfy every taste bud. Fun fact, did you know that Starburst even collaborated with other popular brands like Skittles and Snickers to create limited edition mashup flavors? Talk about a burst of creativity. Whether you're a lifelong fan of the original flavors or a curious explorer of the latest Starburst creations, there's something for everyone in this vibrant candy world. So next time you're looking for a sweet treat, reach for a Starburst and savor the rainbow. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at your favorite foods. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.